how to tie the Eldredge knot from your perspective. Just grab your tie, put it on your neck with the wide side on the right, the thin side on the left. And all the moves will be done with the thin end of the tie. So cross over with the thin end over the front, forming an X. Bring that back around towards the left side. Bring that up and into the hole that you formed with the X. Pull that down and to the right. Now cross over the front. Come up the hole and bring that down towards the right side. Now come back behind the knot, and you're going to go through the loop you just formed. And cinch that up to tighten. This part may take some adjusting. After you've pulled that through, the thin end will be on the outside. Pull that back up through the hole formed with the X towards the right. Bring that back behind the knot, and then you will tuck this end through the loop you've just formed again. And then pull that through to tighten. And if you have extra fabric here, you're going to want to tuck that up into your collar. You can pull the knot up, and there's the Eldredge knot. Be sure to subscribe and check out other videos on this channel. Thanks.